The title is Determination of Level Distress, which is Pavement Condition Index (PCI) at 1 km on Jalan Kampung Parit Sempadan 86-400 Parit Raja, Johor.
Objective for this project: 1. Conduct a throat survey to assess and identify distress levels on the designated 1 km work segment. 2. Perform an in-depth analysis to calculate the pavement condition index (PCI) for Jalan Kampung Parit Sempadan Parit Raja, Johor. 3. Evaluate and propose appropriate maintenance or rehabilitation method to boost the PCI value and enhance the overall condition of the specific road.
Okay, as you can see, the table and the diagram, it show that about PCI. So PCI stands for Pavement Condition Index. It's a numerical rating system that assesses the quality and health of pavement or road network. It provides a quantifiable measure based on observed distress and surface condition, with value typically ranging from 0 to 100, where higher value indicate better pavement conditions.
This is the table for Station 1. The data shows quite a lot of damage on the road in Station 1. After that, we making graph and plotting that. Then we make a calculation for Station 1 to get the deduct value and the total. PCI equal 100 minus CDV, we got 20 based on the rating for PCI value of 20. This section of pavement is in serious condition, which is LOSF.
Okay, this table shows that the data that we collect and the defect that we found at station 2.
This is the data that we collected at Station 3. There is a few damage that we have found. Maximum allowable number of deduct meter height hertz. Deduct value HDV equal 56. So M equal 5.04. Deduct value in descending order 56, 55, 50, 45, 25, 15 and 11. Number of deduct value equal to 7. Since the maximum allowable number of deduct is 5.04, therefore only the first value deduct value are selected: 56, 55, 50, 45, 25, 15 equals 6. Maximum corrected deduct value CDV. Number of deduct value greater than 2. Q equal 5 because total deduct value equal to 231. From the figure CDV equal 46. Reduce the smallest individual deduct value to 2. Q is now 4.
So this is the data that we have collected at Station 4, and this is the several damage that we have found. The maximum allowable numbers of deducts M, highest deduct value HDV is 74. So M is equal to 3.39. So that is the deduct values in descending order. Number of deduct values is 6. Since the maximum allowable number of deducts is 3.39, therefore only the first value deduct value are selected, which is 4. Maximum corrected deduct value CDB, number of deduct values greater than 2, so Q is equal to 4. Total deduct value is 144.34. From the figure CDV, which is graph, we can get 74. And then reduce the smallest individual deduct value to 2, so Q is now 4. From the table, we can know that maximum CDV is 80. Determine of the pavement condition index, which is PCI, we can get 20. Based on the rating for PCI value of 20, this section of pavement is in serious condition. So for station 5, which is the last station, this is data that we have collected, and there is several damage that we have found. The maximum allowable number of deduct M, highest deduct value HDV is 62. So M is equal to 4.49. Deduct value in descending order is 62, 50, 10, and 5. So the number of deduct values is 4. Since the maximum allowable number of deducts is 5.13, therefore only the first value are selected. Maximum corrected deduct value CDV, number of deduct values greater than 2, so Q is equal to 4. Total deduct value is 127. So from the figure CDV we can get 46. We can reduce the smallest individual deduct value to 2, so Q is now 4. From the table, we can get the maximum CDV is 1778. Determine of the pavement condition index PCI, we can get 22. So based on the rating for PCI value of 22, this section of pavement is in serious condition. So move on to discussion on rehabilitation and maintenance. First, we can do the asphalt overlay. Second, we can do the grading. Third, patching, and fourth is piping and draining.
Types of road damage at Kampung Parit Sepadan, Parit Raja, Johor. 1. Bleeding. 2. Alligator cracking. 3. Potholes. 4. Rutting. 5. Depression.
In summary, PCI studies play a pivotal role in sustaining and improving road pavements. Addressing pavement distress like cracks and potholes is crucial for minimizing vehicle maintenance costs, ensuring ride quality, and optimizing fuel efficiency. Well-maintained roads contribute to driver comfort, reduce vibration, and enhance fuel economy. Prioritizing the timely repair of pavement issues improve overall road network performance, benefiting road users and transportation efficiency.